Well, welcome back to the High Maintenance Hangar. My channel's Mustang Bob 51. I'm glad you could join us. I just arrived a little bit ago, and I've been gone for, I haven't been here for a week. I've been traveling, visiting family, and doing some other things. And I'm the only one here so far. So I've been wandering around seeing what's been going on. So it appears that the Sparkies have been kind of relentless in continuing to do the things they can do to wire this airplane. There's one of our SL30s. Looks like it's wired in. They've been running coax for the antennas. That's great news. Looks like Jan has been getting the seal ready for these windows that Lee Aerospace talked to us about. Those windows are just gorgeous. And I can see me and the camera and the shine. It's awesome. It appears he's just about got this. This panel looks like it's ready to install. This will go around the IFF box. Showed you that on last week's video. And this pilot pocket looks like it needs another coat of paint, but we're closing in. He's closing in on that. So until somebody gets here and let me know what needs to go forward, I've been doing some more, getting the parts ready for painting for the jacks. So I've been washing this stuff up. These are clamps for the exhaust that have been laying in the solvent tank for a while. I just thought I'd get them out of the way. And these are some parts that need a lot of cleaning. But these are the metal tags off of the jacks. This one is really turning out really well. I've still got to work over this one. We'll see how it turns out. Wait for it. Well, okay, I've done what I could with these. This one has got a lot of scratches in it, so it's just going to be the patina. This one looks really good in comparison. All I did was take some soapy water and Scotch-Brite. That's what we get, so we're going to live with that. So now on to the rest of this stuff. So we'll see what happens. All right, so I spent the first half of the day working on getting jack parts ready. Stand by. So like these hold grease. These springs go down in here, and then this assembly goes in the tube, and that allows you to move these jacks around until you start putting weight on it, and then these will depress and set the landing gear right square on the ground. But I've got all of this cleaned up, ready to go. The rest of this, ready to go. There may be a surprise coming about painting these jacks. We'll see what happens. But beyond that, Jan was working last week while I was gone. Let me show you something. This is absolutely awesome. The guy is from Lee. There's a window in there. Look, you can see yourself in the shine. But they are so clean. And this one, absolutely stunning. Okay, so they're not permanently mounted in here. We still have to wrap them, and some work has to be done on the inner frames in order to make them work. But now we just have to get the other four built. We have those windows up there done. We still need some hardware. But these windows are now windows into the heart of high maintenance. All right, it's the end of the day here Wednesday. I'm going to go home and get something to eat. Come back Friday for more punishment. Getting rolling here. And we had a meeting this morning about painting the jacks. And I think we have somebody that's going to paint the jacks. Not at liberty to divulge that yet, but in other news, Jan and Kenneth are creating a shipping crate to put our broken windows in to get them shipped off to Wichita. Man, you guys are doing a real professional job here.
Yeah, it's on top of this one.
Well, it's looking good. And I am over here trying to get the last little bits of crap off of the parts going for the jacks. Kenneth and I did the first assembly of the landing gear for the casters. These were all painted together originally, and it's just as easy to paint them that way. But I've got one of the hydraulic ramp pumps ready to go. It's all masked off and washed and everything. I still have to mask off the threads on the two rams. I'll get that done shortly, and the fittings on the bottom of the rams, if you can see that right there. And I probably will be delivering these here in a bit. So anyway, let me keep going, getting things cleaned up, and I'll report back to you. Okay. These guys, you're going to be amazed. Look at that fancy box they made for 3 windows. Coolio. That's just got to label it.
I need to write down here, return to sender.
It's all ready to go, huh, Jan?
It's ready to go.
Just put a label on it and it's ready to go.
Yep. It's been weighed, dimensioned, and ready to go.
44 pounds of sheer frightening stuff. All right, in other news, I think I've got everything ready to paint. So now, as soon as we get the okay to get them painted, we'll get them to the painter. So hopefully that's today. We'll find out here. Okay, next on the agenda is removing these really clear windows. And then we'll get the felt in here, and we'll get these mounted in here. Those are ready to fly. Let me show you what Jan's been doing in the cockpit. He's got all of this done. And we can put the seat back in here now, and that'll be ready to fly. So we'll get that done. We'll get these windows done, and hopefully that'll be everything. We can get all that done today. Christian and the fellows from France just sent me a few photos of where they are on the restoration of their A26. The amount of work that they're going through and the way they're doing it is beyond belief. Let me share these pictures with you. It's the end of the day, basically ran out of time. I have to take those windows over to the FedEx store to get them so they can get to Wichita, Kansas. Anyway, appreciate everybody watching my videos. If you wouldn't mind subscribing and sharing them out, dropping a like, it helps me a lot. And as a matter of fact, I'm just about to get my second $100 bill from YouTube after a year of being monetized. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the very next episode. Have a great day.